everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited you guys are here. I got influenced so bad for what I'm about to unpackage here. And I want to disclose that I did not pay full price for this. Oh, no. No. I got the Victoria Beckham Beauty. And it was a mini haul for myself. This is going to be an unboxing and first impressions. I'm going to swatch everything for you. And I got early access, which was 25% off. So I snagged some gorgeous pieces during the early access, 25% off sale. And I'm so excited to unbox this and try them out. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and I can go over with you exactly what I got. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Ooh. Oh man. Okay. Here we go. Ooh, Victoria Beckham. You know, I remember her being in Spice Girls and I really wish she would go ahead and tour. I don't know if this is true or not. You can't believe everything you read on the internet, but she was saying that before she would be recognized for being on the Spice Girls and now she's being recognized because of her Satin Kajal liners. So good for her for that, but really would love to see the Spice Girls all together, including Victoria, because that would make incomplete the Spice Girls. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I am completely dating myself. So let's just move on with the next thing. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Oh, I like how they did this. Ooh, nice packaging. All right, so here we go. And I'm gonna swatch these. Whew, okay. I got the Satin Kajal liner in, what color is this one? Doesn't say. This came ripped. You can see that, right? But that's okay. Satin Kajal liner Terracotta with the Sharpener. I think the Sharpener, oh no, that's the little edge. Look at that. Look how cute that is. Oh, never realized that. Okay, so this is in 12 months shelf life. Does it tell? Oh, Terracotta, right there. Okay, wrong end. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alicia and every other YouTuber, not fit for print too, they were not lying. I know they tell the truth, okay? So when they're reviewing stuff, they're very, like, to me, they're the two YouTubers that I love, enjoy watching them because they tell you the pros and cons, and I'll tell you exactly what not fit for beauty, not fit for print said about the actual foundation. But this is like, you can use this a multitude of ways, and I can see why. It just glides on and you have time to like play around with it. I mean, look at that. All right, so that's in Terracotta. Very pretty. I'm gonna put that to the side. So the liner originally is $34. I got it for $25.50. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go with the lid Lustre. I got it was like a trio. Originally goes for $38, got it for $28.50 each one, but it was like a little thing. This is in honey, and this has a 24-month shelf life. Let me go ahead. Wow, look at that. All right, this is what the back looks. Here is the top, and this is in honey. Oh, look at that. Ooh, so pretty. Look at that. I'm just gonna get closer. You can see it. Look at that. Obviously, I would think you don't want to get rid of this. Don't throw it away because I feel like it'll dry out. Wow. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is like a one and done stunning holiday look. Glam, bam, and done. Very, very cool. Okay, so I'm gonna put this to the side. Okay, the next color is in Mink. and I have seen other YouTubers, Nikki LaRose, famous makeup artist. She has her YouTube. I also trust her and what she says too. She got this in Mink, and she kind of also influenced me because I saw her first try this, and I was just like, wow, oh my goodness, yeah. I hope you guys can see all that luster, beautifulness, goodness. Like, let me use my pinky. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that is like, look at that. Wow. Yeah, I could totally see this like doing the outer corner and then like all over the lid space and stuff. Actually, probably do this lightly, kind of buff it out, and then put this on the center of the lid or all over the lid. And this in the outer corner will look so pretty. So let me put this back so it doesn't dry out. And I'm happy it's a 24-month shelf life on these, because gosh, that is, and it's 5 grams. Oh my goodness, this is gonna take a while to use all up. All right, so I'm gonna put this to the side. Then we have, last but not least, Tea Rose. And this one caught my eye. I just, you know, all I mean, they're all beautiful. Like, they're all stunning online, the pictures. But in person, like, it's so much beautiful. And I'm not trying to influence you to purchase this or not. I'm just giving you, like, I was influenced to purchase this. I'm actually going to go ahead and do a review on this. So it is what it is, okay? I'm treating myself for Christmas. It's a happy early Christmas gift to moi. So I'm gonna open this up. Again, same thing. Whoa, wow, so pretty. Oh my gosh, that is stunning. Look at that. Oh, wow. It's very metallic. I guess I like metallics, so yeah. So pretty. These are definitely like one and done. Very beautiful. I can't get over this. So pretty. Okay. So let me go ahead and put that to the side. Oh look, I got a little baby sharpener. So funny story. I follow Scott Barnes because, you know, he's a celebrity makeup artist too. Jennifer Lopez and some others as well, but most famously for Jennifer Lopez. And I remember that I ordered, and I have that on my actual unboxing list. I'm actually going to put that on there too. And it was me unboxing his holiday set, his first set that he did, and had a globe on it. It was very beautiful. Liners, everything you can think of is in there, except for a pencil sharpener. And I called the company thinking, hey, I think there was a mistake. I thought there was a pencil sharpener supposed to be included. They said no. That package was over, I want to say, over $300, and it did not include a pencil sharpener. The customer service rep basically said, so sorry for you, just go ahead and buy one. I was like, okay, cool. So needless to say, not a very good shopping experience, but I'm glad that she includes a pencil sharpener. Makes sense. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say about that. Okay, so then I got the Victoria Beckham color wash, and this is $46. I got it on sale for $34.50. Oh gosh, this is tough to open. It's really packed in there very nicely. So this is what the bottle looks like. So pretty. And I saw Alicia do a presentation on this, and it's like a little, it's not even a dropper, it's like a little roller thing. Can you see that? Yeah, let me do it this way. And I mean, I guess it's like a little dropper, but at first she put it on her cheek. There we go. But then the second time she did the presentation, she actually suggested and recommended to put it on the back of your hand and then go ahead and use the blush brush that you're going to use, so you can put it on your face. So So just a light wash of color. Turns pink. I wonder if you can build up the color. I think you can. Let me see. Yeah, it's pretty. Very light. I don't really like the consistency of it, but we'll give it a try. It does stain. That's on my finger. No, it's not gonna go away. Oh, that's nice. Okay. All right, so I have to be very careful with this. The shelf life on this is 6 months. So, and it seems like a long way. Like you just need a little bit. A little goes a long way. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, so let me go ahead and wipe this off. Okay, and last but not least, I got the infamous Victoria Beckham foundation drops. And I was talking with my brother-in-law, talking about how ridiculously expensive this is for the amount that you're getting. I got the shade 4 Light. Originally $110. I got it for $82.50. My husband's going to see this video and he's gonna be like, what the heck are you doing? But I just want to find out for myself. I might as well just post my actual first impressions on it too, but oh, okay, I can't open. All right, so this has a 12-month shelf life. Oh, this is like really in there. Okay. It says here, revolutionary science, clean beauty. Apparently the foundation drops are with TFC8. And this is how the bottle looks like. It's very light. Again, this is 1 ounce. 1 ounce. 1 ounce of foundation. 1 ounce. And I guess you're supposed to shake it. And I'm gonna go ahead and just put a little dot. And that was like $40 just squeezed out on my hand. Just kidding. I thought this was going to be heavier. It's not heavier. It's just plasticky. Kind of disappointing. I was expecting glass. This is how it looks. It feels creamy. It has a light scent to it. I can't put it, but it does blur. Like, look at that. It made my hand much better. So I will definitely do a Victoria Beckham first impressions, putting everything on me. So yeah, I think this is great. So let's just rewind back. Oh no, look what I did. See? No, 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 no. You cannot be doing that. You need to make sure you protect the goods. I just really like the packaging. It feels luxe. All right, so, and this is the one that I really love. Tea Rose. Okay, so this is what I got. So I got, oof, that's a mess now. Okay, I got 3 of the lead lusters. I got a color wash in the color Flushed. I got the Victoria Beckham foundation thing, the creamy Kajal liner in Terracotta, and I also got a pencil sharpener. Cannot forget the pencil sharpener, which is good. All right, so I got all these, and again, I got it 25% off, so I'm really excited that I got this. I really did enjoy the packaging and showing you all how this all arrived. So yeah, tell me which shade of the luster shades you would like me to do first for my first full look. You know, I think these textures are iconic. The creamy Kajal liner is really impressive. The Luxe base, it does look like skin. I mean, it did blur my hand, which I can't wait to see how it looks on my skin. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty unboxings, demos, and everyday glam looks. Thanks everybody. Bye.